Hi everybody, welcome back to Feel Free to Learn. It's a beautiful day to learn something new. As promised in my last video, the first topic which we are going to discuss is spot the errors. In order to solve spot the errors, there are several subtopics, rather basics, you would need to understand. So, in this video, let's go through what are the different basic topics you need to understand in order to crack the spot the errors. Let's get into it. Let's take an example of a doctor and a patient. When a doctor is trying to diagnose what's wrong with a patient, the doctor needs to understand the basic parts of the human body, right? Similarly, when you're trying to learn English language, the first thing you need to know is parts of the speech. What is a noun? What is a pronoun? What is a verb? What are adverbs? What is a preposition? What is a conjunction? What are adjectives? So these are all the different basic topics around parts of speech. So the first topic or the first basic topic which we will be learning is parts of the speech. The second topic is we need to understand what is the sentence we are looking at. Is it a sentence which speaks about the past, or is it a sentence which speaks about the present, or is it a sentence which speaks about the past? There comes past, present and future. We'll learn all about tenses. That would be your second topic. The first topic is parts of the speech, and then we will learn about the tenses. Now let's get back to the doctor example. The doctor is calling, hey you, without any respect. Would that make you happy? No, right? You would expect the doctor to call you by your name. Hey Satish, hey Bhavi, like that. Similarly, in English language, the nouns need a respect. And that respect is usually given by something called determiners. So the third topic which we will be learning about is determiners. Now that we will learn about parts of speech, then tenses, then determiners, the next topic what we are going to learn about is singular and plural. Let's go back to the same old doctor example. Let's say if the doctor is coming and saying to you, your hearts are weak. Would you be happy? No, right? You have only one heart. So the doctor should be saying, your heart is weak. So you need to know where to use singular form and where to use plural form. So that would be the fourth topic we will be covering. Once you learn the singular, plural, parts of the speech, determiners, tenses, the next one is a very interesting one. Direct and indirect speech. You would need to know if the doctor is speaking directly to you, or is the doctor speaking to your mom or dad about you. If the doctor is speaking directly to you, it's direct speech. And if the doctor is speaking indirectly about you to your mom and dad, it's indirect speech. So we learn about direct and indirect speech. Now that we have learned about all those things, the next topic which we would be learning is about active voice and passive voice. Ta-da! Those are all the basics. Then we will work on active voice and passive voice. That's all is the basics related to the topic. Once you learn all these basics, I'm going to list it out again. Parts of the speech, tenses, determiners, direct and indirect speech, singular and plural form, active voice and passive voice. Once you learn all of these, then we'll work upon all of these topics. So whenever you prep for your exam, you take all the series of these videos, go through each of the video and prepare for your exam. It seems a lot of topics, but trust me, these are very, very simple. I will try my level best in order to explain in a most easiest form that I could so that you guys can learn easily, right? Always remember how a kid is trying to walk. It takes baby steps and then walks and then it runs, right? Similarly, once you understand the basics, it will be very, very, very easy. So again, remember our mantra, understand the basics and keep practicing. That's all for today's video. Let's see you in the next video where we speak about nouns and pronouns. Thank you, everybody.